Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today I'll show you how to hide any shipping methods for specific markets using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Now click on Add a New Condition button. Select the Markets option. Now select Hide if found and enter the market name. For example, I entered International. Now give it a rule name for your reference. Add your desired shipping methods under the Select Shipping Methods field. I have selected Standard Shipping. If you don't see the desired shipping method names there, you can add them manually in the Additional Shipping Methods field. Make sure the shipping names match exactly as they are in your Shopify shipping and delivery settings. This means that the standard shipping option will be hidden for the international market. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the standard shipping option is visible because our store is based in the USA. Now let's set a shipping address internationally, outside the USA, and check. As you can see, the standard shipping option is gone. That's it. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!